Creativejay101. Today we are going to be making slime. So I've made slime a couple of times before, and the ingredients you will need are some Elmer's liquid glue. Only use Elmer's. Elmer's is the only glue that works. A marker, or you can use food coloring, but to me food coloring makes it hard faster, so I prefer to use a marker. You need a container to put the slime in when you're done, a cloth with a top on it, a bowl to mix it with, and then detergent. So yeah, I suggest you use Tide or Gain, whichever one. And yeah, so first thing you're going to want to do is open the glue bottle, and this glue is halfway filled up, so just going to dump it in. So try not to use all of the glue. So this is how much glue I used. Then what I do next is I get the detergent. So you just pour some detergent in a cup. And I just poured it up to right there. I probably won't use all that, but so you just pour a little teensy in. This is how much I poured in. Then you're just going to want to get the spoon and stir. So yeah. So I'm starting to get this. And then I need some more detergent. So, and then this is optional. This is why I didn't say this when all the ingredients, but you can also just put some water. That water is just putting in a little bit of water, about this much. It depends on how much slime you're making, and you just mix that. And I mix all of the same because sometimes it can get a little messy. So yeah, you're gonna do that, and that's all the water that you will need. And then you can just keep adding in detergent. And then as you keep mixing and mixing it, it'll start to become slimy, like this one. So, and like I said before, the water is optional. You may find it easier to not use water, but for me, it makes the slime not messy faster. See? Like that. So, yeah. And then you may be like starting to notice, like, don't just like clean the bowl, because it kind of just like cleans up itself as it goes on. And I'm just adding a little more detergent because it's starting to get like kind of stiff. I'm just adding some detergent. So, yeah. Because now that's the bowl. It looks like I never even used this bowl. Like, it looks like somebody used it, but you know what I mean. So then you can just start taking it off of here so that all of it is getting mixed up. So, and then this is what it'll start to look like. Now I'm going to just dump in all of the detergent. And this is how it will start to look. This is how it will start to look if you use water. It'll look kind of different when you don't use water because it gets like messier. So then you're just gonna, I don't really like to waste any of the slime, so I just like take off all of the stuff. So yeah, then once I'm done there, I just pick up the slime and just kind of play with it in my hands for a while. And I'll be back when all of this is done with, and it'll start to look normal. So now when you're done, this is another kind of slime that I did. It's the same ingredients, just a different color. And it should start turning out like this. So once you knead it for a while, just keep doing this. You're stretching it. It'll start to get like this. And it'll be really fun to play with. It'll start to get kind of addicting. And I just love doing this. And the one over here, it works. So yeah. I just wanted to show you guys this one too. So yeah, and then I'm just going to kind of keep it in a closed container. And there, so now it won't get hard. So yeah, maybe in a week or something it will get hard, but still pretty. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, wherever it is. It may be over here, maybe up there, maybe over there, maybe down here. Just subscribe. And make sure to comment down below some more video ideas. And comment down below how your slime worked out. So yeah, bye.